Sleeping destiny. A person was disappointed with life in every way. People used to call him by the name of Manhus. A wise Pandit told him that your destiny is sleeping on a certain mountain. If you go and wake it up, then luck will be with you. That's it, then what? He set out to wake up his sleeping destiny. There was a forest on the way. Then a lion pounced on him to eat him. He said, "Brother, don't eat me. I am going to wake up my sleeping destiny." The lion said that if your destiny wakes up, then I have a problem. Bring its solution. My problem is that no matter how much I eat, my stomach is never full. My stomach keeps burning with the flames of hunger all the time. Manhus said, "Okay." Going further, he spent the night at a farmer's house. On learning in the conversation that he was going to awaken his sleeping destiny, the farmer said that I also have a question. Ask your destiny and bring its solution. No matter how much effort I put in, the yield in my field is not good. I have a daughter of marriageable age. How will I be able to marry her in these circumstances? Manhus said, "Okay." And on going further, he became a guest at a king's house. After dinner, on learning that he was going to awaken his destiny, the king told him to ask his destiny for the solution of his problem also. My problem is that no matter how wisely I run the kingdom, anarchy prevails in my kingdom. Manhus said to him too, "Okay." Now he had reached near the mountain. There he shook his sleeping destiny and wake it up. "Wake up, wake up. I have come to wake you up." His destiny stretched itself and went with him. His destiny said, "Now I will always be with you." Now he was no longer unlucky but had become a lucky person, and due to his luck, he knew the answers to all the questions. On his return journey, he became the guest of the same king, and while telling the solution to the king's problem, he said, "Since you are a woman and you handle the state affairs by staying in the guise of man, that is why there is anarchy in the kingdom. You marry a capable man. Both of you together handle the responsibility of the kingdom, then peace will be established in your kingdom." The queen said, "You marry me and stay here." The unlucky man, who had become lucky, refused and said, No, my luck has awakened. You marry someone else." Then the queen married her minister and started ruling the kingdom happily. After being a royal guest for a few days, he left from there. While walking, he reached the farmer's house, and in answer to his question, he told that 7 ounces of diamonds and jewels are buried in your field. If that treasure is taken out, your land will become fertile, and with that money you will be able to marry your daughter with pomp and show. The farmer, being grateful, said to him that I am thankful to you. You marry my daughter. But the lucky man said that, No, my fortune has risen. You marry your beautiful daughter somewhere else." The farmer found a suitable groom and got his daughter married and started living happily. After enjoying the hospitality of the farmer for a few days, he reached the jungle and told the lion as a solution to his problem that if you eat a big fish, then your hunger will be satiated. The lion welcomed him very well and got to know the whole story of his journey. After knowing everything, the lion said that after your fortune rises, you lost two such good and big opportunities. Oh man, who can be bigger fool than you? My hunger will be satiated only by eating you. And in this way, that man became the prey of the lion and died. Its basic meaning is that if you don't have the wisdom to identify the right opportunity and the knowledge to grab it, then evil luck cannot come to you and do you any good.